subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Oppo Reno5 5G, Reno5 Pro 5G and Reno5 Pro Plus 5G, the company has now launched the 4G version of the Oppo Reno5 smartphone in Vietnam. The design of the Oppo Reno5 4G looks similar to the Oppo Reno5 5G smartphone, but it has some changes in terms of specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo Reno5 4G features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio and 91.7% screen-to-body ratio. The screen supports 90Hz refresh rate and it has a hole punch at the top left corner that carries an 44-megapixel selfie camera with f2.4 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a quad camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 64-megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 119-degree field of view plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Under the hood, the Oppo Reno5 4G comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset paired with Adreno 618 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with ColorOS 11.1 skin on top. The device comes backed by 4310 mAh battery that supports 50W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with liquid cooling system that protects the phone in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.1 by 73.3 by 7.8 millimeters and it weighs around 171 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo Reno5 4G has been priced in Vietnam at 8,690,000 Vietnamese dong, and it is now up for pre-orders in the country in mysterious black and silver color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from January 9th. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno5 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.